is Karen Eft, and this is Vallejo, California, where I own my lovely house. I'm finally able to get around to doing my master bathroom. So I'm just thrilled to find the Green Bay Remodeling Company, and they have done a beautiful job. They have remodeled. They also have reconstructed from the floor up to make a new hot tub and tall shower for tall people, everything custom made. I used a contractor finding service and contacted their company because it looked like they were really professional and I wanted someone that knew what they were doing. The project manager was Danny Lebowski, and he came to my home and talked to me about what I needed, and he gave me some great ideas about the materials that I could use, and he showed me samples and suggested some ways to really improve upon my original ideas. He went with me to the stores to pick out supplies such as tiles, exactly what I wanted. From that beginning stage through the ending stage, took great care with my house, preserving the things like the old tile floor that I treasured. He's come to make frequent visits and make sure everything is going well, and is just a wonderful person to work with. The Green Bay Remodeling people are so good. I cannot recommend them too highly to anybody. I would say they are the company to go to for a professional, beautiful remodeling job. Danny Lebowski is a great project manager, very conscientious, making sure that everything is done well and checking up on it step by step. And if anyone is looking for a great contracting company for their bathroom remodeling, I highly recommend Green Bay Remodeling.